This vocabulary test consists of 25 questions that assess your competence in using the most appropriate word in the given context. Are you ready? Let's get started. You have to be careful what you say to Sophia. She's very. She's trying to cut on coffee at the moment. She just has 1 cup a day. I still keep in touch with some of my from high school. They me $10 to park my car at the train station. I'm sorry, I'm busy right now. Can you back later? He's a cute child. He's very. I don't like food. I think food should be cooked. Did he apply that job he was talking about? I told my friend what to do, and she did the opposite. I was. This new company pays me a better than my old company. He was very badly by his parents. I've chocolate recently, so I don't have it very often. If you understand what I'm saying, just your head. Alex lives the outskirts of London. My physics teacher isn't very. She only explains things once. Sarah has a lot of, but she still can't find a job. We met at. We were colleagues at a computer company. I loved the when he jumped off the balcony into the sea. My husband wants to. From work when he's 60. The movie was on a novel by N. Tyler. I don't know how we are going to get to the airport. We will have to. For a taxi to come. I don't think Alan is. Jessica is at home with him. If you were a more person, you would not have left me waiting for you in the rain for an hour. His uncle owns 4 computer companies and lives in a big out in the country. The company didn't have any opening shops in Paris and Marseille, so they closed after only 3 months. Share your score in the comments section.